Hello, hello. Good morning. Well, you know what? I forgot I was going to start recording a video, but I'm going to stop and do that here real quick. Oh, hello, buddy. Everybody's out here early. All right, we have video recording. Hopefully it doesn't. In the video from yesterday, recorded 2 videos yesterday. You know, started recording, started the ride, and then up until I got to where my wife works, I stopped recording. And then when I started the recording again, which was obviously the longer recording, which was pretty much the majority of the ride, that entire video file is corrupt. Like it won't play. So, you know, it's just like you win some, you lose some on this camera gear. You know, you don't know what's going to work, what's going to work, what's not going to work. I think I'm going to take a chill ride today. I was definitely feeling yesterday's efforts because I was pushing quite a bit. Today we're going to chill. I might even stop and get a burrito. Do some mukbang. I also got to stay hydrated. Gotta stay hydrated. I'm usually pretty good about it, but yeah, buddy. I might. If you don't know this, we're world famous for Hatch, New Mexico green chili. I can't eat it as much as I used to. But I just might put a little chili in my burrito this morning. Are the champ? It's not a jersey. Actually, just a button-up collared shirt. I don't think I'll be. When I lose about 10 more pounds, I might get back into. When I lose about 10 more pounds, I might get back into my jerseys. Right now, you know, bibs I'll wear, but right now the putting on my racing jerseys look like 10 pounds of sausage stuffed in a 5-pound package right now. It's all good. I did say I was going to get a burrito, so maybe we'll kind of mosey our way on up through the university area again. Come back down to what the hell is that place called? I want to say Frontier, but it's not Frontier. It's it belongs to the Frontier restaurant, the famous Frontier by University of Mexico. They have a chain of these burrito places. I should have just gone that way and gone to Frontier, but yeah, we'll go this way. It's a struggle. No matter where you go, it's like the same combination of one way or another, whether it's one place uses egg and fries, cheese, sausage, bacon, whatever, ham, green chili. Another place might use egg, hash brown, bacon, ham, whatever, green chili. It's a flavor combo in which you almost can't go wrong. Let's see, who do we have here? Indoor. Okay, let's see here. Noob Gamers. How you doing? I see you there on YouTube. Noob Gamers. I bet you anything they have a roller grill. I would not trust a gas station that doesn't have a roller grill. Get you a good old sweaty, meaty tube of goodness, glizzy, or don't have them very often, but the Bahama Mama is actually pretty.
But this is a Casey's, and they also have
Oh, nice. Well, there you go. You're set. Classy restaurant, all in one. It's kind of like taking your wife out on a date to Costco, you know? All right. My wife will never admit to anyone that she likes hot dogs, but boy, when I take her and get a nice big old quarter-pounder dog, all beef from the Flying J truck stop, I guarantee she's gonna eat that. She's like, she won't admit that she thinks hot dogs are disgusting. Even when I make them at home, she won't deny herself one because I make mine gourmet. Let me describe it to you. I go get the big Angus all beef hot dogs. It's a premium hot dog. And you get the Vlasic sandwich slice, pickles, and then a really good cheddar cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, mustard, and brioche buns. Not a normal hot dog bun, but a brioche bun. Ooh, doggy. Put it all together. Look how busy this place is. Oh man. You know what? Might have to come up on the other end. I don't know. Let me see. This bike is so damn heavy. Oh. Yeah, let me turn around and then we'll come around to it. Okay. Well, we're gonna park you right here. You all keep an eye on my bike.
How can I help you, sir?
Take a number 9.
To go?
Yep.
All right, you're looking at 612. Ticket number is going to be 57 for you.
All right. It's going to be a few minutes. Yes, we're going to share it all together. It's a number 9. I did go with the green chili, so we may pay the price later. But this one's got egg, hash brown, bacon, cheese, and green chili. Give you all a glimpse of that. So here we go. Look at that. Hash brown. Oh, look at that. Bacon, cheese. Oh, look at that green chili. Oh man. We've done it now. Oh man, it feels on my lips. My lips are burning. There's something so distinct about New Mexico green chili. If you've never had it, I would recommend going online and ordering some. I promise you. Put it on a burger, put it on a hot dog, put it on your breakfast. Order yourself a jar. The brand that we usually buy for home is called 505, which that's our zip code, 505. Get a mild green chili. Whew. Man, I'm gonna have to get home and get a stomach pill in me now. Definitely gonna regret that. All day it's gonna haunt me. There you go. That's actually a good price. I would buy that if you want to try it. I recommend you do. And it's just the plain. It's not because they make 505 makes like an enchilada sauce or whatever. You want just the plain green, and I would get mild. Because really it comes down to it's all about the flavor, not like how hot it is. It's about the flavor. Ugh. All right, we're gonna try to get out of here. Dimitri, we need to get you moved out of Canada. I mean, hell, just shipping you a free graphic card was $30. My lips are still burning from that one. So y'all remember me talking about that Nunzio's criterium yesterday? This is that hill that we would go up right here. It would just go around this triangle right here. Yeah, during the wintertime, they'll actually host no burn nights just because the smog is built up. try not to complain about it. Oh, chilly in my stomach. I'll get home and get a pill. All right, folks, we're gonna stop up here, I'll send you on your way. Not normally, no, it's not really needed here. I mean, you can get one if you want, but generally in this area, no basement. Okay, everyone. I guess we're gonna send you off to Gruffin Cycling. The good thing is that his stream will be up on here when we send him, so we shall see you all on the next one. Should be tomorrow. I'm probably gonna take the solar trailer out tomorrow, so we'll see you all tomorrow.